Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video I will tell you how NEET PG 2021 application form is going to be different and what are differences it has brought to you. Once you visit www.nb.edu.in, you will be able to download the information brochure bulletin for 2021 and you will find all the information. So be with me in this video until end. I will tell you all the important highlights that is required for you to go ahead, and from 3 p.m. the online application will be available for you to fill. I will create a separate video also with all this process, what details you need to fill, and what are the required information that you need to take care. Okay, so the form is available, and from 23rd to 15th you can do the filling of the application form. Once you have done the application form and then you realize later that you have done some kind of mistake, then you have option to edit those things, and the edit window will be available from 19th of March to 21st March. See, all the options are not editable. There are few things which you can't edit. In the later part of this video I will tell about those things also. The final edit window to rectify incorrect images, photograph you can re-upload, and you can correct the photograph, signature, thumb impression. So these three documents you need to upload, and the final window to rectify your incorrect uploads will be from 2nd April to 4th April. Issue of admit card on 20th of April. You can expect that you receive admit card. Examination will be held on 18th of April. Declaration of result will be by 31st of May. So you have enough time. There is a single examination for admission to MSMD diploma course, MSMD degree course, and post diploma DNB course, as well as NB diploma course that will get launched from this year, 2 years diploma course. So there is no separate examination going to happen for all these courses. So there is one exam, that is NEET PG 2021 exam. Admit card will be available on 20th of April, and you can download it after visiting the NB website, https://nb.edu.in. See, there is change in examination fee compared to last time. This time you have to pay examination fee, that is for general category and OBC category students, 5,1500. Earlier it used to be 3,750 for general category, and for SC ST PWD category it will be 3,835. Earlier it used to be 2,700 and something. Now who are the candidates eligible to proceed with the application form filling? The candidates who complete their internship before 30th of June or having qualification, that then only you can go ahead and participate for 2021 NEET PG examination. If you don't complete your internship by 30th of June, then you are not eligible for 2021. You need to try for 2022. So this is very clear. So the all of points that I'm showing in this video is mentioned in the information bulletin. So you need to read information bulletin very carefully. But for your highlights, for your saving of time, so you can save some amount of time, I am giving you the highlights here. I will create further videos as well. Don't worry about anything. If you have any doubt, you can call us. You can take our paid services. So before 30th of June you must have completed your internship. That's very much required. There is one more change. Last year there were 300 multiple choice MC questions, and for each and every correct questions there was 4 marks. But this time there is change in the examination pattern. There will be 200 MCQ, and the duration is going to be same. For the time duration is 3 hours and 30 minutes. So it's very obvious, evident here, that you will be getting more amount of time for each and every question. And like 300 questions, now 200 questions, so you are going to get 33% extra time than earlier for each and every questions. So you can expect some kind of level change in the question toughness level, may be high, since they have reduced the number of questions. Allocation of time for NEET PG 2020 will be as follows. Candidate will be allowed to enter the center and commence the registration process for the rest. 12 p.m. will be your reporting time. Okay. And entry closes as examination center. The last time to report is 1:30. Candidate will be allowed to log in at 1:45. Candidate will be allowed to read the instruction at 1:50, and examination will start at 2 p.m. It will go on until 5:30. So total 330 minutes time is there. So you set your schedule so that you remain very active during this time in the day, 2 to 5:30 p.m. So online application form submission, then you have demo test at NBE website. You need to take it. Admit card will be issued. Reporting at the test center at the scheduled time and date. You need to select your test center, which city you should be in. Security check process will be happening at that on the day of examination. Registration for those are biometric, then examination will begin. So whichever left thumb impression that you upload, it has to match there at the time of biometric. Examination will begin and it will end. So this is the process, how it will happen. Size of photograph. So 3 documents that you need to upload: photograph, signature, and thumb impression. So it should be in this dimension, 35 mm by 45 mm, not larger than box. So it should be in this one. If you have a larger one, then you can ask wherever you get the photograph shooted, or if you take it from phone, you can use your laptop to convert into this dimension. With at least 75% on the photograph should occupied with the face and head of the candidate. See, you getting 75% of this dimension should be occupied by your face and head. It should be it should be a color photograph with white background. The background should be white, not blue or red or anything. It should be white background and a color photograph. Photograph needs to display the full front view of the face, not tilted or side view, without any expression. Neither you need to laugh or do any kind of selfie poses. No caps, no goggles, no ornaments to be worn. The intention is to get your face read by AI. The photograph should not have any reflection or shadow on the face with red eyes. There is no modification you need to make. Put original photograph. The photograph need to be printed on high quality paper with least 600 dpi resolution. It should not have any kind of scratches or stains. Okay, so this is the list of examination center. You can see complete list in the information bulletin. So there are 255 centers and 255 cities, I would say, is covered. So you can choose out of them. So the last one is 255. So these are the important points. Information entered in the application form this is very important. You will get a correction window or edit window. You will get a correction window for document upload. I have given the dates in this video, when it will start and when it will end. But there are few information which will remain non-editable: your name, your email ID, your nationality, and test city. You can't change the city once you have selected. Suppose you realize that by the time of examination, you will be having a schedule, a journey to some other city. so you want to change the examination, you can't do it. So these 4 fields are not editable, so please keep in mind. So there are other information that I would like to share with you, but wait until another video. I will give each and every details. So don't be in hurry. There is nothing like you need to start filling the application from now.